Good posture isn't just about looking confident, it's about feeling strong, energized, and free from pain. Yet, in today's world of endless screen time and sedentary lifestyles, many of us struggle with slouching, rounded shoulders, and that nagging ache in our necks and backs. The good news? You don't need months or years to make a change. In just 7 days, you can start transforming your posture and reclaiming the benefits of standing tall. This isn't about quick fixes or gimmicks. It's about understanding your body, making intentional adjustments, and building habits that stick. Let's dive into how you can achieve better posture in just 1 week and why it's worth the effort. First, let's talk about why posture matters so much. Your posture is the foundation of how your body moves and functions. When you slouch or hunch forward, you're putting unnecessary strain on your muscles, joints, and ligaments. Over time, this can lead to chronic pain, reduced mobility, and even issues like headaches or digestive problems. On the flip side, good posture aligns your spine, reduces stress on your body, and allows your organs to function optimally. Studies have shown that proper posture can even boost your mood and energy levels. For example, research published in the journal Health Psychology found that sitting up straight can increase feelings of confidence and reduce fatigue. So, improving your posture isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling your best, both physically and mentally. Now, let's get into the practical steps you can take over the next 7 days to fix your posture. Day 1 is all about awareness. Start by paying attention to how you sit, stand, and move throughout the day. Are you slouching at your desk? Are your shoulders rounded when you walk? Simply noticing these habits is the first step toward change. Try setting reminders on your phone to check your posture every hour. When you catch yourself slouching, gently correct it by rolling your shoulders back, lifting your chest, and aligning your ears with your shoulders. This might feel awkward at first, but that's okay, your body is relearning how to hold itself. On day 2, focus on strengthening your core. Your core muscles, including your abdominals, obliques, and lower back, play a crucial role in supporting your spine. A weak core can lead to poor posture, as your body compensates by slouching or leaning forward. Incorporate simple exercises like planks, bird dogs, or bridges into your routine. These moves engage your core and help build the stability you need to maintain good posture. Even just 5 to 10 minutes of core work each day can make a big difference. Remember, it's not about doing 100 crunches, it's about controlled, intentional movements that activate the right muscles. By day 3, it's time to address your workspace. If you spend hours at a desk, your setup could be contributing to poor posture. Make sure your chair supports your lower back, your feet are flat on the floor, and your computer screen is at eye level. If you're using a laptop, consider investing in a stand and an external keyboard to avoid hunching over. Take breaks every 30 minutes to stand up, stretch, and walk around. Sitting for long periods can cause your hip flexors to tighten, pulling your pelvis out of alignment and leading to a slouch posture. Small adjustments to your environment can have a big impact on how you hold your body. Day 4 is all about stretching. Tight muscles, especially in your chest, shoulders, and hips, can pull your body out of alignment. Incorporate stretches like the doorway chest stretch, cat-cow pose, and hip flexor stretches into your daily routine. These moves help release tension and improve your range of motion, making it easier to maintain good posture. For example, the doorway chest stretch targets the pectoral muscles, which can become tight from hunching over a computer or phone. By opening up your chest, you will find it easier to roll your shoulders back and stand tall. On day 5, focus on your sleeping position. Believe it or not, how you sleep can affect your posture. If you're a side sleeper, place a pillow between your knees to keep your hips aligned. If you sleep on your back, use a pillow that supports the natural curve of your neck. Avoid sleeping on your stomach, as this can strain your neck and spine. Your mattress also plays a role. If it's too soft or too firm, it can throw your spine out of alignment. While changing your sleep habits might take some getting used to, it's an important part of improving your posture. By day 6, you will want to incorporate posture-friendly exercises into your routine. Activities like yoga, pilates, and tai chi emphasize body awareness, alignment, and core strength, making them ideal for improving posture. Even if you're new to these practices, there are plenty of beginner-friendly routines available online. For example, yoga poses like mountain pose, downward dog, and cobra can help you develop better posture by strengthening your back and opening up your chest. The key is to focus on form and alignment rather than pushing yourself too hard. Remember, This is about building habits that support your body in the long term. Finally, on day 7, take a moment to reflect on your progress. How does your body feel compared to a week ago? Are you standing taller, sitting straighter, or moving with more ease? Celebrate the small wins, they add up over time. Keep in mind that improving your posture is an ongoing process. While you've made great strides in just 7 days, maintaining good posture requires consistent effort. Continue to practice the habits you've built, whether it's checking your posture regularly, strengthening your core, or stretching tight muscles. Over time, these actions will become second nature, and you'll reap the benefits of better posture for years to come. As you move forward, remember that posture is more than just a physical habit, it's a reflection of how you care for your body. By standing tall, you're not only reducing pain and preventing injury, but you're also showing up as your best self. Good posture conveys confidence, energy, and resilience, qualities that can positively impact every area of your life. So, take pride in the progress you've made, and keep striving for improvement. Your body is your most valuable asset, and by investing in your posture, you're investing in a healthier, happier future. Here's to standing tall and living well.